Are you thinking about creating a video? You know that YouTube is the second largest search engine and that video is a fabulous way to connect with your audience. You want to be the face of your business, but the video creation process seems complicated. Then you test it out, going through the process, and what happens? You literally freeze in front of the video camera, not knowing what to say next. You think it's going to be easy as you like to speak in front of people. Then you find it confronting in front of the video camera. You find it exhausting, keep making mistakes, and it takes a long time to create just one video. Plus, you aren't happy with the end results. Yes, speaking to camera is completely different to addressing people face to face. Presenting to camera is a whole new skill set. This is where the Speakers Practice presentation and video program really assists business professionals. We help you to get your message out to your audience with skill and impact in front of the video camera. Our program is training you through the process of creating video so you present with impact. Our trainers Tim Stackpool, a media skills professional, and Adrienne McLean from the Speakers Practice, a marketing and presentation skills coach, specialise in this area. Our program includes presentation skills for the camera, scripting, video marketing. We introduce you to the beautiful film studio, you learn to use the auto cue and then present your script to camera. The benefits of attending the Speakers Practice presentation and video program are that we guide you step by step through preparing a video. You can ask questions along the way, find out how the professionals create video, and find out the tips and tricks for getting a fabulous result. You'll learn to deliver a natural performance that really connects you with your audience. Then you leave completing your video, which is sent to you in the following week. Contact me, Adrienne McLean of the Speakers Practice, and ask about the presentation and video program. This program can take you from being apprehensive to enjoying creating video.